Hey analysts, what's up? Welcome to a roadmap to become a data analyst in less than 90 days. If you are ready, then let's get started. The first skill that you have to learn is statistics. Learn basic statistics only, like types of data, charts to visualize data, ways to aggregate data, and finding variation in your data. That's all the statistics that you need to know to get started as a data analyst. So it will take you less than 7 days to get done with statistics. Next comes Excel. Since this is an important tool in the data field, I believe you must go to the advanced level for Excel. Start with understanding Excel interface to basic formulas in Excel, the concept of range tables and find replace, further to intermediate concepts with text and date and lookup functions, and then sorting and filtering your data. After which the advanced, that is the statistical formulas for aggregation and variation in Excel, making charts in Excel, most important pivot tables, pivot charts and slicers. This basic Excel to intermediate will take you a maximum of 7 days and advanced can go up to 14 days. Coming up next is SQL. Go intermediate with SQL, this is what I would suggest. Covering concepts like creating tables, inserting values in them, updating those table values, and the select and where clause. Comes operators like and, or, followed by aggregations like count, min, max, averages, to the intermediate level including order by, group by clause, which are the ones required for aggregation. And then comes joins and unions. Also understand case statements as well. One more thing, the list that I am mentioning is not exhaustive. It just covers commonly used stuff. So when you're starting out, I don't want you to learn anything and everything, but focus on the ones that will help you perform some good level data analysis, and later on you can explore more. Coming back, before the next tool, probably the last thing to learn is to import files to SQL and export SQL tables to file. Start with just importing tables from and to Excel. Learning these can take you anywhere between 12 to 14 days, and the times that I am mentioning, I am considering that you are learning 1 to 2 hours each day. Then last but not the least comes learning where your expertise will lie, that is a visualization tool. I'd prefer you learn this to an advanced level, starting from basics like making charts, getting those charts to make a dashboard and making that dashboard to look attractive. Then to make the dashboard interactive, for which you can learn intermediate features like filters, action parameters, etc. Then learn how to publish dashboard in more than one layouts like desktop, laptop, even tablet and mobile phone. Coming to the advanced, which isn't necessary when you are starting out, but you can definitely give it a shot. Get to learn the advanced feature of the BI tool. If you're learning Tableau, learn LOD expression. If you're learning Power BI, learn DAX. But that's not needed at all. This only takes about 30 days. Now I have told you what you have to learn, but I haven't told you from where you can learn these tools for free. If you want a video on that, let me know in the comments below. By the way, are you liking this video? If yes, hit the like button also, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe as well. Next comes making projects to show your expertise, to show your skills. Get data from Kaggle, make some changes to the data in an Excel file, like delete some columns, change the column type, reduce the data using filter and sort. Then take that manipulated data to SQL, calculate some averages, maximums, total. Then take that aggregated table to the visualization tool and create some dashboards. Then you have to upload your SQL queries to GitHub and publish your dashboard online. Your project should get ready by about 7 days, and if you need help in making a portfolio project, check Alex the Analyst Data Analyst Portfolio Project series. Link to the video is in the description. Finally comes apply for job. Start with making a solid resume, include the project in your resume and leave links to the GitHub SQL codes and online public dashboards as well. Also in the resume itself, write about 5 lines describing your project. Then, after you have made your resume, start applying to jobs. Maybe jobs on LinkedIn, it can be jobs on LinkedIn, job sites, or even you can ask your friends and family for references in their companies. While you're applying for jobs, start to prepare for interviews as well simultaneously. Prepare questions like tell about you, why you want to get into this company, about the portfolio project that you have included in the resume. Check out this Glassdoor site for interview questions asked to employees by job title and company name. That's about it for a roadmap to become a data analyst. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.